Hello, it's pun night. So I'm going to make a video about puns. Not like how to make puns, but just gonna share some puns. Thanks for joining me right now. So I came up with a joke today. It goes like this. Did you hear the one about the stucco that is now being used as a table? And the other person's like, nah man, I haven't heard about that one. And then I go, yeah, it's exciting. Exciting or exciting, both. Yeah, that's a joke. Ooh, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the joke tonight. And for bonus, I'll give you one more pun. Let's go. Let's go one about driving. So, another pun joke type thing. Right now I'm working two delivery jobs. People ask me if I'm driven. Well, right now I'm working 2 delivery jobs. I'd say I've got a lot of drive. There you go. There's my jokes. Hopefully that wasn't too long of a pause. Yeah, I technically refined that last joke on the spot. I've said similar ones before. And what is the point of this video if you don't get some value from it? So yeah, that's fun and funny, but here you go. Here's the nugget of truth that you need. If you want to make good puns, the key is in multiple purposes. That's baseline, wit, connections. You have to pay attention to words that are used in multiple places. And then when you have a word like drive, meaning motivation, and drive, like I can drive a car, you find a place where they can both meet. And if you can say something without using either of those words yet till the punchline or, topic, that is how you do it. So for this sake, if I'm motivated, instead of me saying driven, if I'm motivated, right, I'm setting it up. That's the abstract, or the point here for what drive means. And then drive physical, like I do deliveries, motivated, and then I put it together and I have I'd say, whatever I said, I've got lots of drive. So, or something like that. It's the place where it means both. I can physically say, people probably don't say that as much, like in that context. Like if they had a long time to drive, they wouldn't be like, yeah, I've got a lot of drive. They might say I have a lot of drive time, or so maybe I need to make it a little more contextualized. Like if I was always getting rides with Uber drivers, I might say I'm very driven. Then that would make sense in both cases. One of them is more passive because someone else is doing the driving, and then the other one's active, like I'm the person that's driven, and it would be funny. So there's another joke opportunity. So there's your pun tip of the night. And start opening your eyes, focusing on words that mean 2 things and seeing how you can connect them. Second tip or sub-tip of that is don't actually use that word in your setup. Don't use drive when you're setting up. Use the motivation or some other thesaurus, connected synonym, not cinnamon. Have a great night. That's the pun tip from Coach Kai the Ninja Guy, or I'm just Caleb. You can call me Caleb because this is my personal channel. And some people call me that, but not very often. You can call me Kai. There you go, fam. That shout out to my 3 subscribers out there. Maybe 3 or 4. Hit it. Just gently touch that subscribe button. Thank you. Have a good day.